What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Warner Bros. Crossover movie Godzilla vs. Kong will be premiering in 1 week. This is definitely one of the movies I was looking forward to the most in 2020, but it got delayed for obvious reasons, but it will be with us soon. And to celebrate, I'm going to be showing you how to make some vegan Godzilla sushi rolls. For the tempura cauliflower, you will need the florets of about 1 head of cauliflower. You also need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, as well as 1/4 cup of corn starch. You also need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt, and some oil for frying. For the sushi roll, you'll need 2 cups of sushi rice, 2 slices of avocado, 3 teaspoons of vegan cream cheese, and 1 nori sheet. I found this brand at Walmart and found out they actually donate 1% of their revenue to help save the ocean, and that is definitely something we can get behind here at Earth's Cuisine. For the dipping sauce, you'll need half a cup of vegan mayo, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. To help me make this, I'm going to be using this sushi kit that I got off of Amazon. I learned after I purchased this company actually makes an eco sushi kit that's made of more sustainable materials. It wasn't actually sold out though, but if anyone knows if they got it back in stock, please let me know. Alright, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our final product. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. If you also want to know my prediction of who's going to win Godzilla vs. Kong, I just posted a video about that on my main channel, Earth's Ego. I'll have that video linked down in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like in this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.